Academy, and my name is Professor Waramike, and in this video we're going to talk about vectors. So we have to understand what is a vector and how can you go how can you go about the mathematics behind vectors. So remember that a vector is a quantity in the mathematical sense that has got both a direction as well as the magnitude. Okay, while there is some of the quantities that only have the size but they don't have the direction. So let's now dive into that. Okay. So a vector is simply the directed line segment. Okay. Now let us see what are some of the properties of vectors. Okay. So vectors can be added, vectors can also be subtracted. Okay. So we can add them, we can also subtract, and then also multiply. So these three are the basic fundamentals or the mathematical operation that you can carry on vectors. So you can add the vectors, you can also multiply, you can also subtract the vectors. So let us see how can you add two vectors. Okay, so we'll look at let's say you have this line AB and it is given as 2, 3, 2 and 3. So now this is what you call that's what you call a column vector. So where we have the numbers inside, these numbers are what we call the components. So 2 and 3. Okay. Normally these numbers, this is X value. Okay. And this is also Y value. Okay. So these are what we call the components of this column vector. Okay. And if you have another vector, let's say C, D. Okay. And then we have something like maybe 1 and 4. Okay. So now we can say find AB, vector AB plus vector CD. So now what you're supposed to do there is to ensure that we just add the vectors or the numbers accordingly. Okay, so the numbers like the X number added to the X number. Okay, and the Y number or the Y component added to the Y component. As simple as that. So that's how you can go about adding two vectors in column form. Okay. So this is going to be so this will be this 2, 3, so what you just do is I say 2 plus 1 is just 3. Okay, and 3 plus 4 just 7. Okay, and that is the answer. This is how you can go about adding the vectors. So this is how you can go about adding two vectors. So I hope you understand and this is something that is very simple, and it's coming in an exam, GC Mathematics Paper 1. So make sure that you grasp the concept on how you can go just about adding vectors in column form. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more of this, please go to YouTube channel, to our YouTube channel, which is just Wordcore Academy, and you'll be able to find other videos other than just vectors. We have many videos on different topics. If you also want to learn online, maybe you're writing GC this year, please, you can also call us on 0964-460218. That's the number you can call us on. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. What is up, everyone? This is Wordcore Academy, and welcome to our channel. So if you're new to our channel, please make sure that you do subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any single update whenever we do post any video. So in this video, we are just going to solve equation on vectors. So vectors are simple mathematics, okay? So if you're new to our channel, remember, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss something that is very cardinal. Okay, so now what is a vector? So when you look at the example that we have, it's saying, given that PQ equals to open bracket 5, 3, and RS, that is 7, negative 4, find vector PQ minus vector RS. So now you can see that these symbols, okay, the forward arrows, they are actually referring to the direction. They are referring to the direction of these numbers, okay? So these numbers, we have to be very careful because they mean something. So this is vectors. Okay. Now the most important thing to understand is we are subtracting. So vectors can add it or be subtracted. So what you're going to do here is that you're going to say PQ is this one. So you say 5, 3, okay, minus 7. Okay, so from there now we can have PQ okay. So the most important to understand that this is X value, okay, that is an X value, and this is the Y value. Okay. So once we know that this is X, this is Y. So the horizontal movement versus the vertical movement. So we are going to say this minus that. So the X value to the X value and the Y value to the Y value. Okay. Okay. So from there now we're going to say so this 5 minus 7 is gonna actually give you negative 2. Then 3 minus negative 4. So all we are saying there is that 3 minus open bracket negative 4. So this negative and this negative, they kind of are cancelled, so it becomes positive. So 3 plus 4, that is a positive 7. So it's gonna actually give you that. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like our videos, please subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.